right. Hey, hello everybody. This is Ralph, and I was reading through Napoleon Hill the other day. I was reading his book on the laws of success, and something really jumped out at me. There's a quote from Napoleon Hill. I believe it's in Think and Grow Rich, which is another book of his I'm reading. But he says, what the mind can conceive and believe, the mind can achieve. And in the selection I was reading from The Law of Success, he was talking about imagination and how nothing could be done without imagination. And of course, that's just the first step. You have to imagine what you want in life and then take the further steps in order to achieve it. And that made me think about that quote from Think and Grow Rich: what the mind can conceive and believe, the mind can achieve. And in that small quote, I saw a 3-step formula towards manifesting anything that you want to create. And the first step is at the top of this pyramid here that I have on this mem that I created. What the mind can conceive. Now, when you conceive something, you're conceiving it in your imagination. You have to imagine it first, and then think of the steps that you're going to have to take in order to attain that. But you first have to conceive it in your mind, in your imagination. And then come to the middle part of the formula and believe. Believe. What is belief? Well, some people would say that is faith. Napoleon Hill, in the book Think and Grow Rich, talks about self-confidence and how self-confidence is a form of faith. It is a form of faith that you have in yourself. I forget exactly where it's at, but at one point Napoleon Hill says, have faith in yourself and faith in the infinite. You have to have both levels of faith. Faith in yourself, or self-confidence, and then faith in the wider universe around you. Because we can't do all of this stuff alone. We can imagine things alone, but we have to take the next step and network, reach out to other people in order to attain what we want. There's that old saying, no man is an island, no woman is an island. We can be great dreamers on our own, but in order to become great achievers, we have to reach out to others, we have to communicate with others, and that requires a good dose of self-confidence. So yeah, what the mind can conceive, imagination, and believe, self-confidence, the mind can achieve. And for me, that is the missing third part of the formula that many people fall flat on. Because when we're talking about the art of manifestation, okay, a lot of people are pretty good when it comes to imagining something. I know I can sit around for hours, closing my eyes, meditating and imagining what I want to see in the world around me. So a lot of people are excellent dreamers, but that's not everything. That's just the first step. And a lot of people, once they know what they want, they lack the self-confidence to get it. So another popular pastime that a lot of people in the manifestation type communities, law of attraction type communities, will spend a lot of time in is the area of affirmations. And affirmations can absolutely be a great and wonderful thing to do. It's a great way to build your self-confidence. Use positive affirmations. If you think that you're a lousy network marketer or a lousy salesperson, just tell yourself over and over again, I am a great salesperson. I am a great network marketer. I am not the best. Maybe I'm not the best right now, but I will be. If you have to use a negative, like I am not, which I don't recommend that you do for affirmations, add in that second part, but I'm working on it and I will achieve it. But yeah, people will use affirmations in order to create more self confidence. And in the book Think and Grow Rich, Napoleon Hill gives a self confidence formula that includes using affirmations as one of the steps, one of, I believe, 5 steps. But again, affirmations alone, that's not the complete formula. Yeah, you have to build your self confidence through affirmations, through positive thinking, through cultivating positive feelings and positive emotions about yourself and your ability and your growth potential. But again, that's only a part of the formula. The last part of the formula where people fail many times to, do is the part about taking action. The mind can achieve. What is achievement? It's not just imagining. It's not just saying to yourself, okay, you can do this. You got this. I believe in you. I believe in me. It's actually taking action. And when we're talking about people that are in the manifestation type circles, positive thinking affirmation circles, they can be really good when it comes to imagination. They can be pretty good when it comes to building up their self-confidence, but many will not take the next step and actually take action. And that is the missing part of the formula that I see in this simple quote from Napoleon Hill. What the mind can conceive and believe, the mind can achieve. Imagine it, build up your self-confidence to the point where you believe you can formulate a plan of action and that you are qualified to begin and take that plan of action. And then the final step, really, I put this at the bottom of the pyramid here because I think this is really one of the foundations. But yeah, take action. The Buddha had a saying. He said, to know and not do is like not knowing at all. And I think that applies to this formula. To imagine, to have all the self-confidence in the world, but not following it up with action is really like nothing. It's just going to be in the dream state forever and ever and ever and never actually actualize in the solid brick and mortar world around us. So yeah, imagine it, believe that you can do it, formulate a plan of action, and back that plan up with self-confidence, and then actually follow through by taking action. Okay, this is Ralph signing out. I think I've belabored this point enough, but if you'd like to see what I do for a living, I'm in affiliate marketing. You can use my main affiliate link, which I put at the top of the pyramid there, ralphshomebiz.com. And of course, that link will be in the program description below. But it is an affiliate marketing school. We have some excellent trainers in that school, and it pays 80% recurring commissions. So when you make sales by, presenting the school to other people and getting them to sign up and become paying customers, you can earn 80% recurring commissions on every qualified sale. So, yeah, learn about affiliate marketing, get the encouragement that you need to be active in affiliate marketing, as well as gaining the knowledge, and get a crack at some 80% recurring commissions. So that's all for now. This is Ralph signing out. Thank you for dropping by. Catch you in future updates. Bye bye.
As always, please remember to like, share, and subscribe.